Continuation of the last class. Today also I am discussing about Bayes theorem, problems based on Bayes theorem. Then the first one is, let here two bags are there. Earn means bag. One first bag has two white and one black ball, and second bag has one white and five black balls. Let one ball is transferred from earn 1 to earn 2, and then one ball is drawn at random from earn 2. If it happens to be white, then find the probability of the ball is transferred was black. That the probability, we have to find the probability of the ball is transferred was black. Okay, let A1 be the event of drawing white balls. Drawing white ball is P of A1 is equal to how many white balls here? 2, and total is 3, 2 by 3, and A2 be the event of drawing black ball, that is P of A2 is equal to how many black balls is there here? Only 1, but total balls is 3, and then N2 contains 1 white and 5 black balls. Let one ball is transferred from earn 1 to earn 2, and then the first one ball is drawn from the random earn 2. Second bag we have to draw one ball, that is white. If suppose it happens it is white, then the probability that the ball is transferred was black. So that is E is the event of, let E be the event of drawing the balls in on 2, transferring the balls on 2, that is P of E by A1 is equal to how many black balls is there here? Total 7 balls, and that the ball is 2 by 7. Similarly, E by A2 is also 1 by 7. Why you are writing here 2 by 7 and 1 by 7? N2 has how many balls there? 5 plus 1, 6. So one ball is drawn from on 1 to on 2, that is 6 plus 1 is 7. Here total balls is 7, and white balls is 2 by 7 and the black balls is 1 by 7. Okay, then substituting the values of P of A1, P of A2 and P of E by A1 and P of E by A2. Substituting here, what we get here? P of A2. P of A2 is 1 by 3 into P of E by A2. E by A2 is 1 by 7 by P of A1. P of A1 is 2 by 3 and P of E by A1 is 2 by 7 plus P of A2. P of A2 value is 1 by 3 and P of E by A2. E by A2 is 1 by 7. Then simplify here. Then 1 by 3 into 1 by 7 is 1 by 21. Here in the denominator part, 2 into 2, 4. 4 by 21 plus here 1 into 1, 1. 3 into 7 is 21. In the denominator part, we have the denominators are equal. That is 4 plus 1. 1 by 21 into 21 by 5. Here 21 get cancelled here, that is 1 by 5. This is the probability of one ball is transferred from, that is black. The probability is 1 by 5. And then we are going to the next problem. A survey shows that in a certain village, 2 out of every 100 men, 2 out of every 100 men and 1 out of every 100 women have stomach ulcers. Have stomach ulcers. Men has 100 men is there. 2 members have stomach ulcer and women 100 women have one member have suffer from stomach ulcers. A person is selected at randomly from the village. Is found that have a stomach ulcer. We have to select one person. That man has a stomach ulcer. Suppose find the probability that the person is a male. We have the selected person is male. Then the probability of selecting male from the village is 0.55. Let A1 be the event of selecting male is P of E1 is equal to 0.55. 0.55. Similarly, how many women are there? Here E2 be the event of selecting female is sum of the probabilities is 1 here. Then is P of E2 is equal to 1 minus 0.55. That we get here 0.45. P of E1 is 0.55 and P of E2 is 0.45. The given men's is 2 out of 100. That is, we have to take here. Here we take here E. E. Here also E here. E be the event. Here also E be the event. P of E1 and E2 be the event. We have to take here. Male has P of E by A1. P of E by A1 is males. That is 2 by 100. And similarly, P of E by A2 has females. Females is 1 by 100. We know the values of P of A1 is what is here? P of A1. P of A1 is P of A1 is 0.55. P of A2 is 0.45. Here also we have to take here A1, A2. Here also we take here A1 and A2. A1 be the event of selecting male is 0.55. A2 be the event of selecting female. 1 minus 0.55 is 0.45. And then here E by E, we have to select a person is female is 2 by 100. Female is 1 by 100. Then substitute the values of P of A1, P of A2 and P of E by A1 and P of E by A2 here. P of A1 is, we get here 0.55 and P of A2 is 0.45. Then P of A1 by E is equal to the probability of finding the selected person is a male. That is, P of A1 is 2 by 100 into E by E1. A1 is 0.55 by, here also P of A1 is 0.55 into P of E by A1 is 2 by 100 plus P of A2. P of A2 is 0.45. P of E by A2 is 1 by 100. Then simplify here. 2 by 100 into 2 by 100 into 0.55 by 2 by 100 into 0.55 plus 1 by 100 0.45. 0.545 0.45. 0.55 by 100 is 55. That is 2 into 55 by, here also 0.55 by 100 is 55. Here also 2 into 55 plus 1 into 0.45 by 100 is 45. Here 2 into 55 is 110. Here also 2 into 55 is 110. Here 45. 110 by 155. Here 5 table how many times? 21 times. Here 31 times. That is 21 by 31. We selected a person, that is the male. The probability is 21 by 31. And then we are going to the next problem. A person is known to speak truth 2 out of 3 times. He throws a die and reports that it is 1. He throws a die that reports it is 1. Find the probability that is actually is 1. A die has how many faces here? A die has 6 faces. A die has 6 faces. A die is thrown and reports that it is 1. That is P of 1 is equal to only one chance but total 6 faces, that is 1 by 6, and that remaining is truth. We have to take it as 1 minus 1 by 6, that is equal to 5 by 6, and then a person speaks truth 2 out of 3 times, that is we can take it as P of T by 1 is the event of truth 2 out of 3. It can be taken as P of T by 1 is equal to 2 by 3. This is the success rate, and then you have to find the failure rate also. The value is failure rate, we have to take it as F by T. F by T is the failure of the to talk lies, that is 1 minus P of T by 1, that is equal to 1 minus 2 by 3. It is nothing but 1 by 3. Here we have to find the value of P of 1 is 1 by 6 and P of T is equal to 5 by 6. Similarly, P of T by 1 is equal to 2 by 3 and P of F by T is equal to 1 by 3. These 4 values we have using the Bayes theorem. By Bayes theorem concept, we have to find here P of 1 by T is equal to P of T into P of T into P of F by T by P of T into P of F by T plus, and again what is the values here? P of 1 into P of T by 1. P of 1 into P of T by 1. What is the value of P of T here? P of T is 5 by 6 into P of F by T is 1 by 3. Here also 5 by 6 into 1 by 3. P of 1 is 1 by 6. Here P of T by 1 is 2 by 3. Here 5 into 1 by 5 into 1 is 5. 6 3s are 18. Here also 5 by 18 plus 2 by 18. Here the denominators are same. Then 5 by 18 by, here the denominators are same. Here we have to add these two. 18 get cancelled here. Then 5 by 7. Therefore the total probability is 5 by 7. And then we are going to the next problem. 3 urns have the following composition of balls. Urn 1 has 1 white, 2 black. Urn 2 has 2 white, 1 black. Urn 3 has 2 white, 2 black. One of the urn is selected at random. In 3 bags we have to select it randomly. Then the one ball is drawn that it is white. Find the probability that it come from urn 3. Here we have to take it as, let E1 be the event of selecting urn 1 is 1 by 3 and E2 be the event of selecting urn 2 is 1 by 3. It can be taken as P of E1. It can be taken as P of E2. And third bag also there. Then E3 be the event of selecting urn 3. That is equal to 1 by 3. Here also P of E3. Then P of E1, P of E2 and P of E3 is 1 by 3. Here P of E1, P of E2, P of E3 is equal to 1 by 3. Next we have to select that the ball is white. That the ball is white. How many bags are there here? We have to take it as 3 bags. How many white balls here? First bag has 1 white, second bag has 2 white and third bag has 2 white. Here W be the event of selecting urn 1, that is P of W by E1 is equal to, in first bag the white balls is 1. In first bag the white balls is 1. 1 by total 3. 1 by 3. Okay, and then W be the event of W by E2 be the event of selecting white ball from urn 2 in. Therefore P of W by E2 is equal to, how many white balls in second bag? White balls has 2. Total 3. 2 by 3. Similarly, P of W by E3. P of W by E3 is equal to, in third bag white balls is 2 but total balls is 4. That is 2 by 4. We getting the values of P of E1, P of E2, P of E3 and P of W by E1, P of W by E2 and P of W by E3. Substitute in the Bayes theorem. We have to find from bag 3, that is white. P of E3 by W is equal to P of E3 into P of W by E3, that is 1 by 3 into 2 by 4. 1 by 3 into 2 by 4 by 1 by 3 into P of W by E1. P of W by E1 is 1 by 3. 1 by 3. P of E2 is 1 by 3. And P of W by E2 is 2 by 3. And again 1 by 3 into 2 by 4. Okay. And then here 2 by 12 by 1 by 9 plus 2 by 9 plus 2 by 12. Here the denominators have 9, 9, 12. Then 2 by 12. Then it can be written as 2 by 12. Here the LCM is 36. 9, 9, 9, 9, 12. Take the LCM here. 3, 3, 3, 4. Again 3. 1, 1, 4. Again you have to write 1. 2 2s 4. 4 9s 36. Here we have to write here 4 plus. Here 9 is there. 4 2s 8. 9 will cancel here. 4 2s 8. And again 36 by 12 is 3. 3 6 12. That is 2 by 12 into 36 by 18. Here 18 can cancel here 2 times. Here 2 will cancel here 6 times. Again 2 will cancel here 1 by 3. Therefore, the probability of finding the white ball in bag N3, probability is 1 by 3. Okay. And then we are going to the next problem. Here 3 boxes are there. Here 3 boxes are there. First bag every bag has white, black and red balls are there. Then one box is selected randomly and a ball is drawn from it. We have to select one bag. That ball we have to draw any ball. That ball we have to read from the box 2. 3 boxes are there. We have to select only one bag, one box, then one ball is drawn. That ball is red. Then the particular box is 2. We have to find like this. Here E1 be the event of selecting box 1 is P of E1 is equal to 1 by 3. Similarly, E2 be the event of selecting box 2. Here 1. P of E2 is equal to 1 by 3. And E3 be the event of selecting box 3. P of E3 is equal to 1 by 3. Then we have to select it that the box is red. In box 1. In box 1, what are the how many balls is there? 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 3, 6. That is we have to write here P of R by E1. P of R by E1 be the event of selecting a red ball in first bag is 3 by 6. R by E2 is the selecting red ball in second bag. That is P of R by E2 is equal to how many red balls here? 1 red ball and total balls is 4. 1 by 4. Similarly, R by E3 is the third bag. We have to select the red ball is how many red balls in the third box? 3 red balls. Total 5 plus 4 9, 9 plus 3 12. That is 3 by 12. We know the values of P of E1 E2, E3 and R by E1, R by E2 and R by E3. Then substitute the values in the Bayes theorem formula. That is P of E3. P of E3 is nothing but 1 by 3 and R by E3. R by E3 is 3 by 12. Here we have to substitute 3 by 12. Again P of E1 is 1 by 3 and R by E1 is 3 by 6 plus P of E2 is 1 by 3 and R by E2. R by E2 is 1 by 4 plus P of E3 1 by 3. R by E3 is 3 by 12. Then simplify here. 3 3s are 3 ones 3. 3 by 12 into 3, 36. Here 3 into 1, 3. 3 by 18. 3 by 18 plus 1 by 12 plus 3 by 36. Here the denominators are 18, 12, 36. Take the LCM here. 18, 12, 36. How many times we have to take 3? 6, 4, 12 times. Again we take 3 here. 2, 4, 4. Again 2. 1, 2, 2. Then 3 3s 9. 9 2s 18. 18 into 4. Here 72. Therefore 3 by 36. Here the LCM is here 3 times 6, 4, 12 and again 3. 2, 4, 4 and again 2 will taken here 1, 2, 2. Here we have to take it as 2, 1, 1, 1. 3 3s 9. 9 4s 36. How many times? 36 by 18. 2 times 36 by 18 is 36 by 18 is 2 times. 2 into 3 6. 36 by 12. 36 by 12 is 3. And again 36 by 36 is 1 here. Here 36 36 get cancelled here. Then 3 by 12. Here 3 will cancel here. 1 by 4. Therefore the probability of third and taking the red ball, the probability is 1 by 4. Okay. And then we are going to the next problem. Here also 3 boxes are there. Here also 3 boxes are there. It contains the balls with different colors, white, black, red. And a die is thrown. B1 is chosen from the either 1 or 2 turns up. And B2 is chosen if either 3 or 4 turns up. And B3 is chosen either 5 or 6 turns up. Then having chosen a box in this way, if the ball is randomly selected and the ball is red, then from box 2, that is E1 be the event of selecting first bag, first box is 1 or 2 turns up. 1 or 2 turns up is 1 by 3. E2 be the event of. Here also we have to take it as P of E1. E2 be the event of selecting for second box is 3 or 4 turns up. That is 1 by 3. This is also P of E2. How we will get here 1 by 3 total? How chances is 2. Dice has 6 faces. That's why I am taking here 2 by 6. It will cancel here 1 by 3. Similarly, here also 2 by 6, 1 by 3. And similarly, E3 be the event of selecting box 3. P of E3 is equal to, here also two chances, that is 5 or 6. 2 by 6, that is equal to 1 by 3. Here also P of E1 is equal to P of E2 is equal to P of E3. Here also selecting the ball is red. Here also selecting the ball is red from box 2. In boxes has how many? In first bag has 2 red balls, second bag has 4 red balls, third bag has 2 red balls. Total how many is there in first one? 5. Second one 9. Third one also 9. Therefore, P of R by E1, red ball in the first bag is, we have to take it as 2 by 5. And second bag R by E2 is equal to, second bag also we have to take it as how many red balls? 4. By total is 9. 4 by 9. And P of R by E3 in third bag has 2 red balls, total 9. That will be written as 2 by 9. We know the values of P of E1, E2, E3 and R by E1, R by E2 and R by E3 by using the Bayes theorem. Substituting the values here, P of E1 is equal to 1 by 3 and P of R by E2. P of R by E2 is 4 by 9. 4 by 9. By P of E1 1 by 3 and P of W by E1, W of E1 is 2 by 5. 2 by 5. Here we have to take here R by E2, R by E3 plus 1 by 3 into 4 by 9. Similarly, P of R3, E3 also 1 by 3 and R by E3 is 2 by 9. Substituting here 2 by 9. Then we have to find here 4 by 20. 3 9s, 27. Here 2 into 1, 2 by 15 plus 4 into 1, 4 by 27 plus 2 by 27. Here take the LCM of 15, 27, 27. That is 4 by 27, 2 by 15 plus 4 by 27 plus 2 by 27. Here take the LCM of 15, 27, 27. Take 3 multiple here. 5, 9, 9. Again 3. 5, 3, 3. Again 3. 5, 1, 1. Here 3 3s 9. 9 3s 27. 27 5s 135. That is 4 by 27. LCM is 135. 135 by 15 is 9. 9 2s 18. 135 by 27 is 5. 5 4s 20. 135 by 27 is 5. 5 2s 10. That is equal to 4 by 27 by 30 plus 18. 48 by 135. Here 4 by 27 into 135 by 48. Here 4 table will cancel here 12 times. Again this 27 will cancel here 5 times. Therefore the probability is 5 by 12. Okay, this is the probability of box 2 taking a red ball is 5 by 12. And then next we are going to the next problem. In a certain college, 25% of boys and 10% of girls are studying in mathematics. Then the girls constitute is 60% of the student strength. Girl strength is 60%. If a student is selected randomly for founding the studying mathematics, find the probability that the person is girl. Here the girl strength is 60%. And the boy strength is how much here? Let P of E1 is, we have to selecting a boys. How many boys are there here? 40%. And P of E2 is 60%. Here girl strength, here boy strength. And 25% of boys studying in mathematics. That is A be the event of P of A by E1. A be the event of selecting a boy. If 25% boys studying mathematics, that is 25%. That is equal to 25 by 100. And P of A by E2 is the event of selecting the girls percentage is 10%. That is equal to 10 by 100. P of E1 is 40 by 100. P of E2 is 60 by 100. A by E1 is 25 by 100 and P of A by E2 is 10 by 100. Substituting by using the Bayes theorem here. P of A2 is, we take the P of A2 is equal to 60%. 60% means 60 by 100 and E by A2 is 10 by 100. Here also AP of A1 is 40 by 100 into here 20%, 25%. 25 by 100 plus P of A2 and P of E by E2 is 10 by 100 and P of A2 is 60 by 100. Here we have to write here, cancel like this. We have to find the value of 6 by 6 into 1, 6 by 10 into 10, 100 by here 10 into 100. Here 100 by 10 into 100 plus 6 by 100. That is equal to 100 get cancelled here. 6 by 100. 1 by 10 plus 6 by 100. That is equal to, here that LCM in the denominator is 100. 10 plus 6. 100 get cancelled here. 6 by 16. 2 table will cancel here 3 times. Here 8 times. Therefore, the probability is 3 by 8. Therefore, the probability is 3 by 8. This is the problems in Bayes theorem. In this probability, we have to know the theorems of addition theorem, multiplication theorem and Bayes theorem. Addition theorem is P of A union B. We just recall the theorems once again. P of A union B is equal to P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. Here A and B are two events in a random experiment. Then P of A union B is equal to P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. This theorem will prove in two cases. That is, first we have to take case 1. In a sample space S, A and B are two events. Then A intersection B is equal to pi. A intersection B is equal to pi. Applying theorem on probability here, P of A intersection B is equal to P of pi. P of pi is nothing but 0. By the definition of the probability, we know that P of A union B is equal to P of A plus P of B minus 0. 0 is nothing but what we have to substitute the in place of 0 here. P of A intersection B. In case 1 we have to prove P of A union B is equal to P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. And case 2. Case 2 here we have to take in a sample space A and B are two events. Here A intersection B is equal to, and similarly B minus A is equal to B minus A like this. B minus A is equal to, we have to write here, take the value of B is B minus A union A intersection B. B minus A union B minus A means this one, and A intersection B is equal to, the union is B. Similarly, the intersection of B minus A and A intersection B is equal to pi. Applying theorem on probability here, P of B is equal to P of B minus A. Here union will becomes plus here P of A intersection B. P of B minus A is nothing but P of B minus P of A intersection B. This we have to take it as the equation 1. And then A union B. A union B can be written as B is nothing but B minus A. Here applying probability, P of A union B is equal to P of A union B minus A. Applying probability, union will becomes here plus, that is P of A plus P of B minus A. Here we know the value of P of B minus A is P of B minus P of A intersection B, that is equal to P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B, that is P of A union B is equal to P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B, also proved in the case 2 also. And again next one is A comma B comma C are three events in a random experiment. Then P of A union B union C is equal to P of A plus P of B plus P of C minus P of A intersection B minus P of B intersection C minus P of C intersection A plus P of A intersection B intersection C. Here we have to prove this theorem. We take the LHS part. LHS is P of A union B union C. Applying theorem on addition theorem on probability here, P of A plus P of B union C minus P of A intersection B union C. And again P of B union C. Here also we are applying the addition theorem on probability, P of B plus P of C minus P of B intersection C minus, here we have to take it as P of A intersection B union A intersection C, that is equal to P of A plus P of B plus P of C minus P of B intersection C minus of, here also using the addition theorem on probability here, P of A intersection B plus P of A intersection C minus P of A intersection B intersection C. That's why I am writing here P of A plus P of B plus P of C minus P of A intersection B minus P of B intersection C, minus into plus minus P of A intersection C minus into minus plus P of A intersection B intersection C. And then multiplication theorem and probability also we have to discuss in this chapter. By the multiplication theorem, A and B are two events in a random experiment. Then P of A is greater than 0 and P of B is greater than 0. We know that P of A intersection B is equal to P of A into P of B by A. Here P of A is greater than 0. And here in place of A we have to substitute B here. P of B into P of A by B. Here P of B is greater than 0. This is the statement of multiplication theorem. In this proof the multiplication theorem is using conditional probability definition. Conditional probability definition means we have to suppose two events are there. One event is happening after the event of B is also first we have to happening A after B. This can be written as P of A intersection B is equal to P of A into P of B by A. And Bayes theorem also we have to know in the last class. P of AK by E is equal to P of AK by E is equal to P of AK into P of E by AK sigma I is equal to 1 to n P of EI into P of E by AI. Like this we have to find in the Bayes theorem problems also. Okay, this is the multiplication theorem, addition theorem, Bayes theorem problems we have to discuss in the probability. Thank